Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips new cheaper dual mode gaming monitor Evnia 27M2N3800A with a 4K at 160Hz and Full HD at 320Hz mode under $320. So friends, today I will talk about Philips Evnia 27-inch monitor with 320Hz refresh rate and 0.5 millisecond MPRT ultra fast response time with smart MBR, and gameplay is always as smooth and silk even in the fastest and most incentive scenarios. And this monitor visual performance is every bit as good, and its speed and the ultra clear 4K UHD resolution deliver stunning definition and further enhanced by exceptional color depth and accuracy, and supporting an impressive 95% TCI-P3 and 130% sRGB color gamut, and certified with Versa Display HDR 400. And this monitor render vibrant and cinematic visual with breathtaking realism. And for console gamers, the Philips offer full support for HDMI 2.1 and enabling UHD resolution at 120Hz for ultra smooth gameplay on the latest generation console. And the monitor offer a variety of features designed for user comfort and convenience: low blur mode and flicker-free technology guard against eye strain and adjustment, smart ergo base and that can tilt and swipe back to the idle position, and pair of built-in high-quality stereo speakers, delivery reach and enveloping sound. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.